我飲啲酒。
Victor 擺呢度嘛？
好唔好
？OK。不時嚟嗰個杯啊！
我啱飲
轉咗，你嚟我隔啲啊！
唔該，
先轉頭。
我擺呢度一陣轉頭。
你喺呢度切啦，仔。嗱，呢份你食住先，我仔有一份。OK，we can start。
呢份。
Cheese。
Cheese。
哦。Cheese 我就攞起呢個。
delicious。
No, Victor。
Victor。
哇！呢個類似 Noble One 嗰個甜酒喎。
係啊。
Sweet。
Sweet。
猜得最。
Yeah,
it's white。
美味しい。
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 紙巾喺邊啊？
你分嗰度。
仲有啊？
切啦，你快分嗰度，或者你放呢度先。
冇。
chicken。beef。
Chicken and beef and prawn。
誒，呢個爐煎出嚟嘅牛肉唔錯喎，可以喎。熟到啱啱好。佢火都好大㗎，火力好大㗎。呢個 chicken 都幾好。
都幾好啊！
佢超市買嗰啲醃好味，有啲甜。In Japan we call it 燒鳥。Is it 燒鳥？In Chinese 燒鳥。
In Chinese 燒鳥。
But in Japanese I don't。
蝦你未攞啊？
蝦要攞啊？攞去邊啊？
你唔食，我哋個個都有啊。你夾蝦啦。
Chicken meat。
We mentioned the food, and I heard some rumor about the Japanese to eat the noodle. When the Japanese eat the noodle, must be loudly.
Have to make some
Make some
noise.
noise. Is it true or?
It depends on the person.
Yeah, depends. I heard that it was in the past, but now people seldom do that.
So rude.
A little bit impolite. So Akinda, you are holiday now?
Yes.
Okay. So it is now. What do you do in Japan?
I'm managing cram school with my mother. Cram school means
Do you know the cram school? I
Cram.
first time to
Cram.
heard this.
Explain.
CARN.
CRAM.
CRAN.
CRAM school.
It's offering after-school program
I see.
for kids.
I see. So I look after their homework, right? Homework.
窿晒啊！
The
咁使唔使關佢啊？
after the
我以為你
school.
關咗添。
After the school, they go to the cram school,
Yes.
and then you look after the kids, right?
Like the tutoring.
Tutoring,
yes,
tutoring, look after their homework, some study, help them for to study.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
使唔使關咗佢？
關咗佢有啲瓜裝個碟度攞過嚟啊！
Because some parents, they maybe they are still working, so you help them to look after the kids and help them study.
Most Japanese children go to cram school.
Oh,
Cram
okay.
school.
啲牛肉夠唔夠鹹？唔夠鹹可以加啲鹽。
哦。呢啲稍微鹽。
嚇？
稍微鹽。
zucchini，
曬咗曬啦。
我唔知。
你再曬啲啊？
蒸牛啊，
唔係啲熟天嘅，
嗯，
嗰個蔬菜呢隻
哦
call 熟天嘅
嗰綠色嗰只咧，我都唔知中文名叫乜嘢。
西湖
啊，西葫蘆。
哦，頭先嗰個切片嗰個啊，
嗯，
嗰個我哋叫脆肉瓜，
哦，脆肉瓜。
你叫
係咪啊？
或者
我哋唔
有啲人叫
唔知
雲南小瓜。chair
for good
誒
health for good health
For good health.
The wild kangaroo is first time
First
to
time,
see.
yes.
Okay.
嗯，me too，
You too?
嗯
你知唔知？At the beginning we came here
嗯
when we
Just
arrive
arrive
here.
here.
Mm.
Yeah.
We didn't know where to go.
嗯
We don't know how to spend our spare time.
嗯
So we often come here.
嗯
Often come here to have barbecue and watch the kangaroo. But the kangaroo didn't come out
嗯
to here. We have to go deeply in the park.
哦，so you have to walk，
蘑菇得
Yeah,
啦。
walk inside.
Walk
About 300
打個
meters.
碟。
嗯，
Evan 要多2嚿，
啊，我好多喎，
佢要仲要加嘢。
我要加蘑菇。
一肥嗰啲，
好多
有好多，我慢慢食，
慢慢食。
嗯。
So that time we very excited with the kangaroo or the native animal. So we often went to here for the barbecue or just go around.
嗯，
嗱，有刀，
好，我 OK 啊，
冇咯，啲嘢，
有蝦。
慢慢食
仲有蝦。
，OK。
嚟，辛苦啦
Thank you.
，Thank you for your work。
嗯，
呢個係乜嘢？甜嘅
我試下，
，lemon。
係，你試下呢個
哦
係
，passion fruit
lemonade，
with lemonade。
係啊，幾好飲啊呢個，
我想溝啲，因為我覺得啲酒好甜。
哦係啊，溝啲，嗯， cocktail 嚇，
係啊，cocktail。
嗯
You want to add some in the wine
Okay,
because the wine is so sweet。咩？你又 add 啲，好飲㗎。
我唔使啦，
唔使啊
我中意飲，我可以飲埋呢，
你有冇印象啊？你太太話嚟過。
嗱，有可能有一次咧，因為我成日都唔記得嗰個咩地方，我哋泊車泊咗一個地方，咁啊 outside 個 park 嘅，咁咧就好多樹林咁樣泊喺個樹林出邊，
Evan，我講你知，
冇人，
因為呢個公園有幾多個入口嘅，
係，
呢個唔係 main 嘅 entry，
係，
嗰邊先有一個 main 嘅。
哦係啊，
誒點解你冇叉㗎？
我冇攞啫，
哦，你冇攞咋？
我攞啫，我 OK，
有筷子
唔
你有筷子？哎呀，唔好意思，唔好
唔
意思。
緊要，
哎呀，
唔緊要
人哋你冇叉㗎，
唔緊要，唔好係，呢個廚
入
房
邊好似係匙羹啊。
，OK，其實我揾呢個 OK 啊，
我都用呢個樣。
咁我去到嗰個地方咧，好夜㗎啦。
你可能唔記得啦。
咁咧就大概其實就唔係好夜，4、5點啦。我諗我懷疑係嗰個地方好靜嘅，4、5點就開始落雨，咁咪走咯，又冇嘢睇。我懷疑係
歐洲有邊度唔靜？
我懷疑係嗰度。
係嗰度應該係。佢嗰度行落去就有一條河嘅。
咁咪走咯，冇嘢睇嘅咁啊，我懷疑係嗰度。咁睇嘅時候，去過啊，去
你下次又可以上嚟約我哋嚟啊！我哋
好啊，
熟門熟路啊，
係啊，
就好簡單嘅。我哋臨時起意，佢4點鐘先去超市買嘢，所以今日話搞到有啲晏咯。
You see the kangaroo
哇！
in a line.
哦，嗯，
佢諗住係咪食我哋啲嘢咧？以前唔食噶喎。
唔係頭先咧嗰架車啊，
哦，
就
按
On.
嗯，咁咪睇下咩？你睇身望下嗰邊。
嗯
How long will you stay in Melbourne?
For
我哋
too short。
yes. Then you back to Japan
yes, tomorrow.
tomorrow. So did you come